So it's currently like 7 and I already have gotten dressed and everything. I'm not doing any makeup at all because I just don't feel like doing makeup. I wanted to do makeup, but then Jacob was like, just don't do it. So I was like, fine. And we're gonna be leaving for the track soon. Jacob just put his bike up in his truck. So I'll catch you guys when we're in the car getting breakfast.
My pants and stuff.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Odie, say hello.
Sit.
So we just got Chevron and I just got this drink, this Gatorade. It's like cucumber lime. Definitely don't recommend. It's disgusting.
They even smell good.
Yeah, it smelled like straight up just cucumbers. If you guys like cucumber drinks, then you'll probably like it, but it literally tasted like cucumbers and smelled like cucumbers, so just didn't taste good. But he got a Red Bull and he got his friend a Gatorade, and then I had to drink his Gatorade because he got a Gatorade too.
I got food.
What'd you get?
My burrito.
What'd you get?
So I don't even remember. I need a mask. That guy's low.
I was gonna say, is that a fucking quad?
Like the sound just sounds, you know? It's just
Are you gonna help him get the bike out? Nor do I gotta help him. It's about to fall.
It's gonna fuck.
Don't forget to take your butt plug out. Here. Oh.
You can learn.
Oh, I can't wait to hear it. You don't even know what you're talking about. Love you. Do you know where the fuck we're going? I think so too.
Mr. Oldman's gonna ride it, I think. Huh? Mr. Oldman's gonna ride.
He's a yeah. I can whip too.
Was he the first person to create the 180 or whatever? Huh?
He's all quiet.
That jump's pretty fun because you land like almost right in the corner. Vroom vroom.
Do it outside. Maybe look, monkeys over.
That is so good. So we just got back from my counseling appointment, and I didn't get a video of him getting his like dirt bike out and stuff because I had to help him, but I got a little sunburn on my face, if you guys can't tell. I am so tired, especially since I had to wake up at 6, if you guys don't already know that. But yeah, it was pretty fun, and I hope this vlog was interesting for you guys to see him riding, and if you guys don't know like what it's like to have a boyfriend that rides. So I didn't want to really talk in them because one, you guys probably wouldn't have heard me because it's so loud there. So but yeah, hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what you thought of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.